Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my rolling stone earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, fuchsia dyed agate stone faceted ovals, blue dyed agate stone faceted ovals. We will be using size 1 crimp beads as little spacers, a 4mm jump ring and ear wire, and 24 gauge wire. You could also use 22 gauge wire. This is just basic craft wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found at howcraftcollection.com. Search Rolling Stone Earrings. Cut a 6-inch length of 24 gauge wire, and we are going to create a wrapped loop. Bend the wire back, move the pliers up. Bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and we're going to switch hands. Grabbing our chain nose pliers, we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Remove. Trim off our little end. I like to flatten out my loop and tap that wire down so there are no sharp edges. I just strung my beads, fuchsia, size 1 crimp bead used as a spacer, fuchsia, spacer, blue spacer, blue spacer, fuchsia, spacer, and our fuchsia bead. We are going to create a wrapped loop on the other side. We want to make sure these beads are nice and tight. Bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and we are going to switch hands. And now we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Remove. Trim off that little end. Flatten out our loop and tap that wire down so there are no sharp edges. My loops are a little off. I want them facing the same way. So I'm just going to give them a little twist, and now they're facing the same way. Now let's just kind of create our little circle. I'm just bending the wires upward. We can come back in and fix the shape. I just grab my 4mm jump ring. This is how you open and close the jump ring. We're going to open it, grab our earring, our ear wire, and close our jump ring. And at this point, you can come in and tweak the shape a little bit. And there you have it, how to create my rolling stone earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.